In this video, I am going to show you how to make the PDF with the security or encryption. Here I am using Microsoft Word for converting the PDF to Word with the security. First we need to open the Word file with the Microsoft Office. Then press the file, save as. You can select the option save as, then browse the location, enter the name of file. Here we can get the option to select PDF. Type of file we need to select as PDF. Here we can see two options for optimization and quality. Here I am selecting the minimum size. Then select the options. After selecting options, we can able to see encrypt the document with the password. Select the checkbox, then press the OK button. Here we can enter the password for the PDF. Repeat the same password, then press the OK button. Now our PDF export is finished. If you are using the without password, it will not ask any password. Once after this one, if you are opening that PDF file, you can able to see a pop-up of password. You need to enter the password, then only the file will be visible. Here I am using Microsoft Office 2019 for converting the Word to PDF. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.